Hello students, today we will be starting with chapter 1.3, The Pilgrim. Now, who is a pilgrim? A pilgrim is a traveler. Yes, he can be a person traveling alone, traveling for some reason. A person who is holy person. You all can see the picture here. Yes, now just a minute. Here, the traveler. Okay, he is a traveler. He is a holy person traveling from one place to another. Now, in olden days, these people who used to travel, they did not have any means of traveling, like no horse carriages or there were no vehicles. So they used to walk. Yes, they used to go walking from one place to another. Yes, and they were pilgrims. Now, going to the warming up on page number 12, make groups and discuss the following. What fatal dangers? Fatal means deathly. Yes, which cause death. Dangers, problems that mankind faced centuries ago. Centuries means hundreds and hundreds of years ago. But are no longer a threat today. Today they are no longer a fright for us. Because we have got all means of transport. We have got medicines. We have got so many other facilities. Like if I want to go to a faraway place, oh, I can book a ticket, train ticket, plane ticket and go. It's easy. But in those days, people had to walk it out or they had to travel on horseback or carriages. Now going to the B part, name a few scientists, explorers, social reformers, inventors, discoverers who spend most of their lives to find solutions to some major problems. Like, when man came on earth first, yes, he was just like an animal. He saw nature. He learned from nature. Yes, he ate fruits. He threw the seeds on the ground. Trees grew and man learnt the art of agriculture. Then when there were landslides, man saw stones coming down the mountain. Yes, now the round stones which were very easy, nice and round, they came down faster than the other stones which were irregular in shape. Okay, so man invented the wheel. In this way, the wheel accelerated, sped up man's progress. Then there were some social reformers, explorers. Social reformers means who tried to stop some evil customs. You might have heard of Rajaram Mohan Roy, yes, Jyotirao Phule, who wanted women to educate themselves, who wanted to stop the evil practices of untouchability, sati, child marriage. Explorers, you might have heard of Christopher Columbus, yes, who went on the ship. There were a lot of dangers. That time there were no lighthouses. Still for all they explored faraway lands. Discoverers, inventors who invented the machines, different machines, who invented electricity and so many things to make life of man comfortable. Did they themselves suffer from those problems, setbacks? Yes. Now if you all have heard about Louis Pasteur. Yes, Louis Pasteur, you might be knowing, he invented he saw rabies. Rabies means dog bites. Okay, people bit by dog and they used to suffer a lot. Yes, so he invented a medicine for rabies, an injection. And in this way, many people who suffered that particular problems started inventing things for the same. What inspired them to spend the best part of their lives to research and share their findings? Because some of them were quite old when they started researching. But did they do it for themselves? No. They did it for the coming generation, for the ones that would come. Yes, like for example, if you go to see, some of our scientists are very old. But still for all they are inventing new machines, they are inventing new medicines. It's not going to benefit them, but it's going to benefit the younger generation. Yes, at the end of this poem, I'll tell you all a nice, beautiful story, and stories are very important whenever you all have to do a writing skill, because story writing is a part of writing skill. Now going to the poetic devices that we will do later on after reading the poem, because you know poetries are different from prose because of 5 devices. First of all, poetries have rhyming words, figures of speech, rhyming scheme, symbolism, yes, and sublime expressions. Now rhyming words, you might be seeing words rhyme with each other. Then figures of speech like simile, metaphor, tautology, personification. Okay. Then there are rhyming scheme, AABB, ABC, whatever it is. Yes. Then there are symbolism. Symbolism means here the pilgrim symbolizes whom? A very good person who is thinking good for others. Symbolism. Yes. Then sublime expressions. They give us good feelings. Sometimes some poetries which are written, when we read them, we feel that they are giving us a very good message. They teach us something. Yes. So all these particular things, these devices are used in poetry. Okay. Now here you might be knowing that there are some devices used, that is figures of speech, like tautology is there. Yes. Now tautology means what? I will teach you all, of course, figures of speech later on. Tautology is nothing but where 2 different words have the same meaning. Okay. Tautology. Inversion, or you call it anastrophe. Yes. That is the sentence is inverted for what? For poetic effect, so that the last word will rhyme with the word of the previous line. Okay. Then there is interrogation. Interrogation is nothing but rhetorical question. A rhetorical question which gives us a question, ask us a question, but there is no answer to it. It's not a WH question, it is an interrogative question. Okay. So now now these figures of speech, as you see, they change the grammatical order. Grammatical order, we don't use it in prose. It is used only in poetry, especially like inversions, tautology, rhetorical questions. Yes, all these are used where? In the poetry. Yes, for poetic effect. Poetic effect means to make the poetry more interesting. Now here in this poem, The Pilgrim, yes, in the next part, we will start reading the poem. I want you all with pencils in your hand so that you all can write the meanings. There are some meanings also given in your textbook in the glossary part. Okay. But still for all, there are some meanings which are not given and that you all have to write it. Okay. So, and I will show you all some pics in between which I have to make it more interesting, the poetry more interesting. Okay. So meet you all in the next part.